Hello and welcome to day 3 of the suspension upgrade on the Discovery. We've got the front spring off, there's just the other side to take off. We've got to drop down the other side of the anti-roll bar so that I can drop the axle down a bit further and get the other spring out. Should be quite straightforward. Then all we've got to do is clean the shockers up, clean the other turret up, and it can all go back on. We've also got to get the front radius arms off. We've got these nice shiny yellow caster arms to go on. Again, that should be quite easy, should be quite straightforward. It's not that long since I undid the ones on the car, so they shouldn't be a nightmare to get off. Bit of copper grease on everything and stick it all back together. Let's get cracking. Lovely and sunny out here.
Yeah.
Now the spring's off, we are just going to clean everything up. I've got my little helper. Say hello. We're going to clean everything up, degrease it all, and then start putting some new parts on. Unfortunately, not a great video today. Super quick one. I have messed about with this. It's been hard work. Managed to sort the caster arms out though. We've got, if you can see, we've got that one in place. And I've took the springs back out. The springs were actually holding the axle wonky, so I couldn't actually get these arms out, so I've had to take the springs back off. I've had them on and off about 6 times now. I've had to take the steering arm off, the anti-roll bar, all sorts. Yeah, not a 2-minute job. If I was doing this again, I would probably invest in some spring compressors, because I've got the axle drooped quite far down and it is straining on the extended brake lines, so I'm being very careful with that. I can only go so far. I can just about push the springs in, so we're alright that way, but yeah, I'm gonna have to carry it on tomorrow, day 4. The longest job in the world. Yeah, stay tuned.